Hey guys, it's Erin, aka StrawberriChan, and I'm back with another video. Yes, I am wearing the same outfit twice because I am filming 2 videos today. I've already filmed like an unpackaging video, which is coming soon. So I thought I would film again because, you know, I want to make more videos and try not to just do one video. I'm doing more, guys. I'm doing more for you. So I don't know what happened to my voice there. I just went Roo! But okay, so today I thought I would do another goth hack video. I mean, this is basically called goth hacks for starting out goth. That's what I call the note on my phone. I'm not imaginative with titles, guys. Cut me some slack. I came up with 5 hacks, 5 little tricks and hacks. I don't know if you would call them hacks or tricks, but whatever. When getting goth things, if you're starting out in the alternative subculture in the goth world. Hi, how are you doing? I will be your goth Sherpa today. But yeah, so I've put them with little black heart emojis to make them extra spooky. So yeah. Okay, so let's get on with it because I do ramble a lot. Number 1 is high street stores. Erin can't spell. High street stores. I found some gothic style clothes in high street stores like Primark and H&M. They do sometimes have a lot of black clothes and dark clothes. You don't always have to go for a big brand name straight away, especially if you're on a very tight budget. It's better to like just go around and go into like high street stores and just get, I mean, Primark do some lovely black dresses and I should know, I've bought them. They do, oh sorry I burped. They do go a little bit short, but like if you're into that stuff, they do some lovely black wet look leggings if you're into, or a legging person. You've just got to look, especially around, ooh, hang on, I got a text. No phone. Yeah. And especially, I think the time when I go high street clothes shopping when I'm goth is when you're goth is around Halloween, because they drop a load of Halloween themed clothes, not just online, but in high street like Primark and H&M, especially H&M. They have some quality costumes. Like I think I've still got one of the Halloween costumes I bought, and it was a witch cheerleader outfit, and I was like, I need this in my life. They do a lot of Halloween themed accessories as well. So they do like bat ear headband. I mean, I've got 2 of them. I've got one with big bat wings and I've got one with little bat wings, and they're really handy and they look really good if you're into that sort of thing. High street is your friend, especially if you're on a budget. I mean, you don't always have to go for big brand, but just starting in the high street is better than starting nowhere. Okay, number 2, sales are your friend. Okay, so I shop my little life hack for shopping on Killstar is wait when there's a sale. There is another Killstar hack that is coming on the list, so keep watching. So if there's a sale on Killstar and they're doing like 70% off or a 3 for 2, that's when I tend to do my Killstar shopping, because Killstar is heckin' expensive at the minute. Because they are bringing out loads of new collections and brands. The brands are bringing out loads of new collections at the minute. I think the collection they've just brought out is this velvet collection, and I really want to get all of the stuff, but it's so expensive and pricey. Killstar stuff to me is good quality. I mean, if it's not for you, Disturbed is a really good brand. They do more casual goth clothes, I would say. I mean, I'm not an expert, but I'm just going from what I know personally. But there is loads of sites like Kate's Clothing is really good for cheap goth wear. It's where I got my coffin shelves from. They're really good and they ship really fast. Yeah, there is a lot of sales. Sales are your friend, like especially 3 for 2, because like I tend to do loads of 3 for 2s. If they're doing multiple 3 for 2s, that is the best because you get more for your money. If it's not in black, it's not the end of the world. So basically, if you black, it doesn't have to be you don't have to get everything in black. There's loads of dark colors. Like if it's not in black, I often go for like a dark purple or a dark green, or just any dark color. Dark red especially is a very gothy color because it's like crimson and blood, and it looks like blood color, and it looks really nice on I think personally. I've got a really itchy eye, sorry. But yeah, I've got a lot of red clothes, not like a humongous amount, but I've got a lot of like red clothes with a touch of black. It doesn't have to be all black. Like, just like this blazer is black and white, and I got this in H&M when I was in London, and it's like one of my favorite blazers because I'm going to a business meeting today, so that's why I'm wearing it. Business goth, as they say. I look like Beetlejuice's stepsister. Go look for a dark color. Even grey is a better, or like a dark grey or lighter black. It doesn't have to be jet black. I mean, black is cute, and it really is a nice color. And but there's other colors out there. Don't be limited to just black, because I'm not limited to just black. I like loads of colors. Okay, another sort of kill story hack here. Clearance or last chance sections online are gold mines. So I've gotten some of my favourite goth things on, again, we're going back to Killstar here as an example, in the clearance or last chance section, because they are literally knocked down to budget price. So I got my Worldwide Witch bodysuit, I'll put a photo here. That was like, I think originally, I don't have a brilliant memory, but I think it was about £25 or something like that. It was, when I went on and bought it, it had just gone down to 10. Now it is £4. Again, there's a Marilyn Manson one that came up with the Marilyn Manson collab, and that was quite expensive because it's a Marilyn Manson collab, and it's now £4. I mean, you can't go wrong, you really can't. So yeah, just raiding through clearance sections is really good. Like, I love going on clearance sections and last chance just to see what's in there. Sometimes there will be not a lot in there, but sometimes you will come across a few gems, and it's always good to snatch them up before everyone else does, because you know they might not have many left of what the thing is, so just go for it, get what you want. And finally, makeup doesn't always have to be expensive. Okay, so a lot of people are like, you know, wear the Kat Von D, Jeffree Star, but you know, times are tough. I relate, times are tough, and we don't have the money to afford such things. So I do a lot of, so one of my recommendations is Halloween time. A lot of drugstores, especially Superdrug, do a Halloween range where they do like ghost themed face powder. They do like eyeshadow palettes based around different Halloween and horror themes. So like I got the dark, I think I got like a vampire one, and it was really good. They do like lip glosses in the shapes of skull heads, and I've got two of them. One is a highlighter, and I use the other one on my lips. It's called Blood of My Enemies. It's so cool. It's like, it sits actually on one of my shelves, and it just looks epic. But yeah, they are really good, because like Jeffree Star and Kat Von D is heckin' expensive. So I don't want y'all to be broke when you're starting out. It's good to start out the cheap, and then, you know, just work your way up and work your way. And you know, that's what I started out. I used to go to really low budget places and just get black t-shirts and like cut them down, and then I used to get like black shorts and rip my fishnets. And yeah, we all have to start somewhere, guys. It doesn't have to be designer first thing. Just keep doing what you're doing. So they are just a few of my little goth hacks, you could say. They are just my little things that help me out. They might not help you, but they help me, and I felt like I should share. But yeah, guys, if you do like the video, please give it a like. That'd be awesome. If you do love it, please subscribe to me, because we are nearly at I think it's like 500 subs. Nearly halfway to 1,000. Oh my god, that is like pretty scary. I don't know how I'm gonna deal with 1,000 people like subscribe to me. Yeah, and if you don't like it, poo you while you're watching the video, go eat pocky and smile. So yeah, guys, if you do see this video beforehand, I will be in London Edge. If you are going to London Edge on the Sunday, please come and say hi. I don't know what I'm wearing yet, but if you follow me on Instagram, y'all will see the outfit I've chosen. But yeah, guys, I will see you in the next video, which is coming out soon. So I'll see you in a bit. Bye bye.